Music can easily make or break a good story. The best way to break a story with music is to use the wrong music that evokes the wrong emotion. Let me put it this way. I'm Andrew St. Pierre White, and I'm a global adventure travel filmmaker. Follow along as I share my hard-learned lessons in storytelling, videography, and photography. In your story, whatever your story happens to be, you will have an emotion attached to it. For example, let's say there is a character. You're telling a story about a person and they have done something. They're now expressing it and they're feeling a certain way. Or the storyline is expressing an emotion being conveyed to the viewer. Music is often a very good way to embellish that emotion. So here's number one. This is number one. Music is used to embellish an existing emotion, not necessarily to create an emotion. Okay, it's really, really good at lifting and fluffing up an emotion that already exists. But only if the music, the emotion evoked by the music matches that of the story, or matches that of the character, or matches that you wish the audience to feel. So if you have a character, they're feeling a certain way, you want your audience to feel that way. So you need to find music that feels that precise way. If it is contrary to the character, the story, if the music fights with it emotionally, then the music can utterly kill a story. And this is on all levels. I have now this is the final episode in my travel series. And we have now landed at this place where we're now presenting this. It's an incredible place of great beauty and solitude, and these are the emotions attached to it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through this episode, and I seem to remember there are 3, maybe 4 pieces of music in this episode, and I'm going to tell you my motivation on why I used music at that point, what was the emotion I was trying to convey, and then we can ask if it works or not. Let's begin at the beginning.